Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I thought about removing the badges on this car. I know I spent quite a bit of money on all these black chrome badges, but I think it would look really clean without them. I've seen some of you guys have that online and it looks really good. Taking all these off and just leaving, of course, the back A. Definitely, since it has a recess and has a camera, I think that'll look really sharp. Especially since they changed the body style. Nobody really knows what this car is. At least the people that have seen mine, just they look quite a bit different than the old ones. These are really easy to remove if you guys never removed them. You can use fishing line, dental tape. Very easy. If it's a cold day, I would just hit it with a blow dryer. Very easy to get off. And then some Goo Gone for the residual. And same with these too. You just have to get in under edge. But since they have some thin areas, it's easy. As you can see, it's already kind of flexing there. So let me go ahead and get started and I'll show you. Okay, so here I have, this is actually a string from a balloon that I had laying around. So you can use that too. It's very easy. And you just got to go back and forth with this until you get all the way underneath it. So I'll kind of show you here really quick. You kind of use a sawing motion and try to put more pressure on the side of the emblem. Now it broke here, that's okay. Just keep going and saw back and forth. And like I said, ever so slightly pull toward the emblem so you're getting away from the paint. And you go back and forth like that, and this will break on you. Like I said, I usually use dental floss, but I had this laying around, so I figured why not, and it works fine. As you can see, it's almost off here. And then don't pull this emblem back because it could put a dent here in the fender if you're trying to rip it off. So then go from the other side and get that part unstuck. The tendency is to want to pull it, but this emblem's long and it could actually put a crease in the fender. Okay. So that's why I'm going from this other side. Just the way these, when you have a long emblem like this, that's one piece. Like I said, I didn't heat these emblems up. That would have been easier if I did that. It would really soften the tape. But I just want to show you it's not that difficult. Okay, so now that you can get both sides, kind of wiggle it back and forth a little bit. And remember, these are two-part emblems too, so the back might come off. I'm keeping my finger to make sure I don't go into the fender. And there you go. So sometimes this back part will come off, because it's like two pieces to make this emblem. And then all I did was take Goo Gone, soak that sticky part, and it came right off. And then what you always want to do too is apply more wax to where these emblems were, since Goo Gone will strip the wax off. So you go ahead and do that. I like how it looks clean like that. Something different. Not all branded. Just the emblems, the back A and the front A, of course. So I'm going to go ahead and take them all off and clean those all up, and I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, guys. So it was really easy to do. So there, that front fender one I took off. And then we had this driver's side one here. And everything came off good, nothing broke. I kind of like this look a lot better. Just looks clean. Nothing here on the back. Sometimes I felt it was a little too busy. Looks really good. Because you have the big A and then you have the big spoiler on it. I don't know, it looks really clean to me. Like I said, I've been inspired by some of your guys' cars that I've seen. It just looks, to me, just a clean look. Just the body lines of this car I like a lot. And so without putting all these emblems, and especially this one with the A spec, it has a lot of emblems. You know, the ones on the fender and then the back. and it has an all-wheel drive one. So I like it. I like the clean look of it. I think it looks sharp, easy to do yourself. You don't need any special tools. You know, stay away from plastic trim tools. Those can scratch it up. So I hope that helps you guys out there. If you're looking to do it, like I said, easy to do. And so subtle things. Just gives it a, in my opinion, a more aggressive look. Like I said, I wish I just would have done that before I bought the black chrome emblems, but hey, I can probably sell those, get some money for them. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. If you guys did that, what you guys thoughts, what you guys like better. As always, I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.